Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here. My husband Alan and I are hosting a barbecue this evening for some friends, and I thought we would invite you to come along for the evening. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Our friends just went home from the barbecue. We all had such a wonderful evening and we really enjoyed the wonderful food that Alan cooked on the smoker grill. It was absolutely delicious, and our friend Lisa brought some wonderful 3-bean salad. It was so good too. I'm so glad they were able to come over and we could all enjoy the evening together. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.